Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is AeroGarden Harvest XL Hydroponic Indoor Garden. Aero Gardens are designed to help you grow your own herbs, vegetables, salad greens or flowers at home. This seed pod kits are compatible with every model of Aero Garden. Planting with seed pods is fun and easy. Just insert the pre-seeded pods in your garden, add water, and the patented, specially formulated liquid nutrients. Most plants germinate within 7 to 14 days, are ready for harvesting in 4 to 6 weeks, and will keep producing continuous harvests for up to 6 months and longer. Includes improved features from this original harvest garden, such as more powerful grow lights, taller lamp arm, more water capacity, larger grow deck, and an included trellis. Adjusts for up to 18 inch of grow height so you can grow bigger plants, and features a larger bowl to hold more water. Includes the Gourmet Herbs Seed Pod Kit, featuring Genovese basil, curly parsley, dill, thyme, Thai basil, and mint. For details, let's watch more. Our second best indoor hydroponic is Hydroponics growing system. This growing system is an ingenious setup to grow many plants, fruits, and veggies with no soil. With this hydroponic growing system, you will have a year-round herb garden in your home for all your cooking needs. The system is a self-watering planter with a built-in light to watch your specimens grow from seeds. It can also be the ultimate educational gift for your active kiddos. The light is a LED grow light that helps plants grow faster thanks to its full spectrum supply. The watering system is quiet since the pump that will help circulate water and oxygen is noiseless. Additionally, the watering system is on auto control, which will work without any mess, soil, or weather limitation. The system also has a fan that is essential for pollination. It will promote airflow and balance air temperature, helping the 12 plants grow perfectly. Furthermore, the visual window and smart soil sponge pods make this one of the top choices. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Azorka's Hydroponics growing system. This hydroponic growing system has a neatly designed water circulation system, which boosts the oxygen content in the water. The oxygenated water is better for the growth of plants, and you get to have total control over your weather. This particular setup lets the plant grow up to 21 inches. The height of the system's light can be adjusted depending on the plant's type and growth cycle. This will help the plants, fruits, or veggies absorb the perfect light for optimal growth. The product's control panel is great for letting you know when you need to add in the plant solution. The kit has different veggies and fruit modes with different shades of light that help improve the growth of that vegetable or fruit. The 8 LED growing light is a high-performance and efficient full-spectrum light. The light is required to fulfill the natural photosynthetic process of plants, which ensures abundant yet all-natural produce. Number 4 on our side is Click and Grow Hydroponics growing system. The herb garden distributes water to all your plants. The water float will indicate when it's time to refill the tank. This little unit comes with 3 little basil seeds and soil capsules. Add them to the unit and then the smart garden does the rest. All you'll need to do is add water once a month. With a base that measures only 11.8 inches by 4.5 inches, you can easily find a spot for this on your kitchen counter. Then when the herbs you're growing are ready, just snip them off and add them to your favorite dish. Basil will continue to grow for months. When your basil is finished, Click and Grow offers a wide range of herbs, vegetables, and flowers, from mint and chives to kale and chili peppers. 3 different color finishes are available. Just drop in the included plant pods, fill the water reservoir, and plug the self-watering planter in. Your herb garden starter kit is good to go. Last in our top 5 best indoor hydroponic list is Ivation Indoor Hydroponics Growing System. If you are looking for a complete indoor hydroponic growing kit, this is it. This all-in-one kit contains all the essentials you need to plant and cultivate your desired produce. All you have to do is add the seeds, no soil, no light, or greenhouse, and it will still grow perfectly. It's the ideal setup for kitchens, offices, schools, or limited space. The setup has 7 individual pod baskets for a plethora of herbs. It also has a nutrient-rich powder, adapter, and water tank, which perfectly fits an entire garden into a small space. The smart LED bulb can be adjusted according to the amount of light needed for your greens. The multi-mode control panel is touch-operated to give a high-end and modern look. The modes are great for self-regulation. The circulating pump is what stimulates healthy growth and keeps pests away. With this, you will certainly get to relish the adventures of water gardening. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.